prove the ratio of in their excitation to response of port second port to if for the other ports to be open circuited. Let us try to understand this thing in detail. Suppose we have a two-port network. Obviously, it has two terminals, two pair of terminals, first V1, V2. Okay. Current is I1, I2, and let us take another two-port network. Okay, again having two terminals, two pair of terminals, V1, I1, I2, V2. Okay, then if we connect a voltage source here, okay, where in from first port, if we connect a voltage source Vs, okay, and keep the other port to be open circuited, it means I2 equal to 0. Here what we are taking, V1 equal to Vs and I2 equal to 0. In other port, this is two port network. Okay, this one is two port network. Okay, here what we are taking, we are connecting here a voltage source Vs, okay, from second port, and here other port to be, what we are doing, other port is being open circuited. It means current I1 is 0. Then let us see here what is here. Vs is excitation, and I1 is response. Then ratio of excitation to response, that is what, Vs by V1 I1, but Vs by I1, okay, keeping I2 to be equal to 0. What I have told, a two-port network is said to be symmetrical if the ratio of excitation to response of one port, ratio of excitation is what, Vs in this port, and response is what, I1, then ratio of Vs by I1, keeping the other ports to be open circuited. We have made other port 2 as open circuited, it means I2 equal to 0. Then the ratio of excitation to response is what, Vs by I1, keeping I2 equal to 0. Now come at this port. Here we have connected a voltage source Vs with the second port. This is port number 1, 2. This is port 2. This is port 1. Okay. This is port 2. This is port 1. Okay. then here what will be the, okay, you are getting, we have connected the two terminals of port 2 with a voltage source having voltage Vs, and we have made port 1 open circuited. It means I1 equal to 0. Then here ratio of the excitation to response of port 2 is what? Excitation is Vs and response is what? I2, and Vs by I2 when I1 is equal to 0. Then if these two values holds good, it means if Vs by I1 when I2 equal to 0 is equal to Vs by I2 when I1 equal to 0, if the any two port network consists of this relation, then this network, two port network, is said to be what? Said to be symmetrical. Okay, are you getting? If we have the same two port network and from one port network we are providing a voltage source, we are connecting with a voltage source Vs and making the other port, it means port 2, to be open circuited, and we have obtained the ratio of Vs and I1. It means excitation to response, keeping I2 equal to 0, and here for the same two port network we have obtained the ratio of other port, second port, that is Vs by I2 when port 1 is open circuited. Then if this condition holds good, अगर ऐसा होगा, ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करेगा, मतलब ये वैल्यू और ये वैल्यू इक्वल होगा, then the two port network will be said to be symmetrical. Okay, now let us see the two port symmetry in Z parameter. What is the condition for two port symmetry for open circuit impedance parameter? Okay, then what we have obtained? We have obtained that if there are two networks, two port network, okay, here this was connected by Vs, okay, and this was made open circuited, okay, this current was I, and here the two port network was like this, and here we had connected Vs second port with voltage of Vs and current was I2, and we have made this I1 equal to 0, and this was what? V1. Okay, and what we obtained? The condition was what? Vs by I1 when I1 I2 equal to 0, and for this Vs by I2 for I1 to be 0, and we are going to get condition of symmetry for Z parameter. Okay, then in Z parameter what we have obtained? This was the standard equation. Okay, if you are not, if it is not clear to you, just see the my previous videos related with Z parameter. Okay, in that lecture I have cleared everything about z parameter. Then we had obtained there v1 equal to z11 into I1 plus z12 I2, and we have taken this as standard equation, and v2 is equal to z21 and I1 plus z22 I2. Okay, these were the two standard equations. Then let us see this case for this network. But we are taking here v1 equal to what? In place of v1 there is vs. Okay, for what we are going to do? We are going to find out the condition of two-port symmetry for z parameter. Generally, this was the concept of symmetry for two-port network. ये आपका क्या था? This is the concept. This is the concept behind two-port symmetry. And now we have to find out the condition for symmetry of z parameter. So now we already know that these are the two standard equation of z parameter. Then for this network, well, for this condition, v1 is vs and I2 is 0. Okay, I2 is 0. Let us keep this value here in equation, in a standard equation 1, keeping these values, v1 equal to vs and I2 equal to 0. Okay, then v1 is equal to vs. Here in place of v1 we have kept v, and this one is z1 I1. Okay, and this is z12 and I2 is equal to 0. This one is 0. Then this becomes what? This becomes z11 into I1, and this is now 0. Okay, then what we get? We get vs by I1, equal to z11, and this was the condition when I2 was 0. Then we have obtained this thing, vs by I1 when I2 equal to 0 is the value of this one is what? Value of this one is z11. Now for this network, second network, here what we are going to do? In equation 2, putting in equation, write down like this, putting and v2 equal to vs and I1 equal to 0. Here what is the condition? In place of v2 we have taken vs, and in place of I1 this is open circuited. We have just kept this value v2 equal to vs and I1 equal to 0, and putting this value in equation, standard equation 2. Here then v2 is what? That is vs. Okay, this is z21 and this is I1. I1 is what? That is 0 plus z22. Okay, and I2. Okay, then vs by this becomes 0. This is what? 0 plus z22 I2. Now vs by I2 equal to what? That is z22 from here, and this is when we have kept taken I1 equal to this, then this is I1 equal to 0. Then what we obtained? This value here, this value is equal to Z11, and now for this network, this value Vs by I2 equal to, for I1 equal to 0 is Z22. Then for two-port symmetry, what should be done? These two should be equal. It means, now write on here. Then for two-port symmetry, what should be done? These two conditions should be good, equal. Vs by I1 when I2 equal to 0. This should be equal to Vs by I2, and for I1 equal to 0. Then we have obtained the value of this is Z11 and value of this as Z22. Then actually this is the condition, final condition of symmetry for two-port network in case of or for Z parameter. ओके, Z parameter के लिए हम लोग को क्या मिला कंडीशन? दिस वन. दिस इज द कंडीशन when actually what was the Z parameter? Z parameter was Z11, Z12, Z21, Z21, Z22. Okay. Then if in any numerical the condition given is what? That two-port network I is symmetrical, then what we will take? We will take Z11 equal to Z2. जैसे ही आपको किसी न्यूमेरिकल में दिया रहेगा कि हमारा टू-पोर्ट नेटवर्क साइमेट्रिकल है, किस चीज़ के लिए? Z पैरामीटर के लिए, तो हम लोग क्या कंडीशन लेंगे? ए वैल्यू और ए वैल्यू को इक्वल मान लेंगे. आर यू गेटिंग? दिस कंडीशन, this result will be helpful in solving the numerical problem related with two-port symmetry. Okay, then this is all about the two-port symmetry related with Z parameter. In next lecture we will study about the two-port symmetry for Y parameter. Okay.